Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today is a like-new Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude, stock number B9725X. Only 5,000 miles on this Compass. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles for our service department. Granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and a car rental allowance. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 5,000 miles. With driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway. And again, only 5,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.